Hello students, welcome to our science classes and let us continue our lesson chemical effects of electric current. In some cases our tester will not work. Our tester may not work. What are these situations? In one situation we can say that battery or cell it may be used up. That means its capacity might be over. And next, if the bulb got fused, then also it will not work. And what is the next thing? If there anywhere loose connections, then also it will not work. Do you understand what are the three possibilities? First one, if the battery is used up, that means if it is used for a long time, it may not work. And bulb it is fused up, it will not work. And next, if anywhere loose connection, then also it will not work. Then there is one more possibility is there. What is that? If it conducts electricity in a feasible way, that means if it conducts electricity in a weak way, or if it conducts electricity very poorly. How you understood? If the electricity, it conducts electricity, but that rate it will be very low. In that case also bulb will not glow. Did you understand? There are the four situations. In those cases our tester it will not work. One is battery used up, bulb fused up, loose connection and very little conductivity. In that cases we cannot use it. For doing such cases we are using some more modern one. What is that? That is LED. Have you heard about LED? LED means light emitting diode. Now in this tester we can use an LED instead of bulb. What is the specialty of LED? LED it glows even if there is a weak flow of electricity. Even very less electricity flows also, what happens? The LED can glow. So full form of LED is light emitting diode. We know LED is used in many toys. It is used in many toys, music systems, and many places it is using, we can see. This LED indicates that the device is working or it is used to give out light. And one more thing, LED is entirely different from bulb. Means if it is very slow, if it is very less electricity flow, then bulb will not glow, but LED can flow. So even very little flow of electricity also it can be indicated with the help of LED. That means light emitting diode. When you see an LED, we can see that suppose an LED may be like this. In an LED we can see two terminals. We can see two terminals like this. Okay, we can see two terminals. What does these two terminals? These two terminals are also known as LEDs. There are two terminals to connect the wires, and these two terminals are also known as LEDs. And if you observe, we can see that one LED is shorter and one it is longer. Both will be of different length. What is that? The longer one it is positive terminal and the smaller one it is negative terminal. Hope it is clear. In an LED there are two LEDs are there. Longer one is positive terminal and shorter one is negative terminal. And LEDs are of different colors. We can see there will be green color one, red color one, or violet. Different colored LEDs are there. So they are different colored because of different chemicals used in it. Different LEDs are of different colors because different chemicals are used in it.